Hey, welcome to Bedshed Caringbah, our latest store in the Bedshed network. Come in, let me take you for a tour. Okay, hey, first thing you notice when you walk past the Bedshed store is what we refer to as our Wow Suites, which are our latest design of bedroom furniture. What many of you might not know is Bedshed actually design our own furniture, and we get it manufactured overseas and bring them in, which offers plenty of benefits for our franchisees and customers. After the Wow bedroom suites attract the customer into the store, we then flow through to more bedroom suites to give the customer a more idea and experience of what their bedroom can look like. Case in point, once the customer flows through the store, the next section they'll get to is our design studio. This is where the customer can customize their bedroom suite with different style headboards, ranging through to different colored fabrics on their headboard. Sit down at our desk and work with our consultants to build exactly what you want. To continue the flow through the store, after our Infinity Design Studio, we come to our premium mattress range. Here, we're talking about high-end quality mattresses that give you the luxurious feel that a lot of customers are looking for. This range includes Sealy, Tempur, Sleepmaker, and the American brand Kingsdown, which is exclusive to Bedshed. To continue the flow from our design studio, we then end up at our point of sale, where our consultants will sit down and tailor your final package to you, as far as perhaps like when you want a delivery. Oh, did you know one of the unique features about a Bedshed franchise model is that our franchisees store and warehouse all their own stock. And unlike other retailers where our customers have to wait 3, 4, 5, even 6 weeks, Bedshed, it comes down to when the customer wants it, we can deliver it. Thanks for coming along with me on the tour of Bedshed Caringbah. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're ever in the area, stop by and say hi.